All right. Good morning. All right, let's check everything, see if we hear. We hear. We are currently in a short. Got a pretty good target down there. I could maybe front run it a little bit at the 80. Just take a little 15-point winner if we get there. Pivot point at the 80, but thinking we run this 870 area here relatively quickly. Got a wick down there, so I'm targeting that. Again, I could kind of just take profit here, but stop's already in at break even, so let's see if it can go. See if it can go or not. This is just an eval trade. We already kind of ran that low there, so that would have been like a good take profit area, 10 points, but we're probably going to move it down to the 85. If we break below the pivot, I'm going to move my take profit down to 85, the stop. Otherwise, I want to see this 70 area taken out. Let's see if we can push through there. All right, if we push through this pivot, I'm going to move my stop down to 10 points. I want to see it just run through there. I don't want to see it bouncing again, so might be being a little too aggressive here, but with the moving of the stop. There we go. Again, targeting 70 on this push down. Good morning, Clarity. Targeting the 70. I could leave my stop at break even here. I do think 70 hits. What up, Pine Tree? Here we go. I'm going to be ready to just market exit here if we get close. See if we can run through that low there at the 70. Yes, working its way through the pivot as well. We should hit the 70 here. We should hit it. I want to see the ES hold below 63 here. It's testing it now. Oh, come on. Don't stop us out. Don't stop us out. What up, Trading Mints? Good morning. We've got 10 locked in here. I could just go back to break even. I mean, what are we losing? Not really much. I want to see this push lower now. It's 905 here, so let's see if it can go. Let's see if she can go down. You know what? I'm going to go back to break even here. I think it hits the 70. What up, Rainier? I don't see how it doesn't. But if it stops me out break even, we'll be sad. Because we were up like 20 points or something. 22 points, 23. Good morning, Kofer. I want to see this thing move kind of quickly back through the 70 here. Kenneth in the house. All right, now I am going back to locking in the 10. See, it would have stopped us out. Now we don't really want to see it come back now. Took 233. Let's go. Nice job. Francis, good morning. Comes back now and stops us out. It'll be fine. I do think if it stops us out this time, then it probably would have stopped us out break even anyway. You want to see this next candle or the next to run through this low. So if we get stopped out here for $200, it's okay. I don't really want to see it pushing back up. And of course, stopped us out. That's all right. 205 there on that little quick, small 1 minute trade. Jumped in on momentum here. Again, you know, I think it takes out the 870 at least. There's a wick over there from yesterday at 9 a.m. 954. Guess that's yesterday's low down there at 870. Looks like it should take it out. Your target 65. Yeah, makes sense, right? Good morning, it's Mimi. So it'd feel bad. I mean, it probably goes. We might have should have just let the stop at break even. But hey, hindsight's 2020, right? Hindsight is 2020. If you guys didn't know, Bulenox has launched the 91% off sale. Yes, they did. 91% off. I don't know if anyone else is having anything other than that. Let's get these updated. I don't know if, I don't think Apex did anything yet. They are, let's see here. Streamlabs. Xavier, bon dia. Robert, how's it going? Going to DJs 50Ks. Oh, you're from Brazil, Xavier? Nice, welcome in. Yeah, we're on a 50K too, from Bulenox. We need about $1,200 to pass. About 1,200. Take her down. And Bulenox is now 1 day to pass too, just so you guys know. Dang, I'm bearish until we hit this. I mean, I could jump back in here. I know we're going to run through the 70. Just feels kind of wrong to get back in. All right, Mancini's level 60 to 66 equals support today. Bulls must reclaim 82 to rally. So he's saying if we reclaim 82, we'll rally to 87 potentially. $97 to 100. Perfect. If 60 fails, we sell to 46. 60 to 66. Okay. Marking these levels out. All right, there we go. I think this thing should run through here. Good morning, Nathan. Pretty sure this runs through the 70, but I don't know that the juice is worth the squeeze at this point. Probably just wait. Let it run through there. So, looks like it's going to push right through that 70 there. Yes, pulling back to the 61s there. How'd everybody do yesterday? Anybody make any money? Make any cash? Any money? I didn't take any trades yesterday. I did not take any trades. Didn't even turn the charts on yesterday. When I got a car, got that the new Chevy Traverse. It's pretty nice. It's a, it's a family car, but it's pretty nice. Daily level horizon 21,812. Maybe. I kind of would wait. Oh, thank you, Lavi. I think it hits the 70. Now this little pushback up is interesting. Maybe we could get in. Problem is, like, where'd your stop go? Where does the stop go? Above the wick? Oh, you're all messed up. Oh, it's all right, Levy. All right, we're going to give it a shot. See if it makes its way back through the 70. See what we get. I figure we'll give it a shot. Give it a shot. Candle from November the 11th. I'll have to go to the higher time frame, check a look at that in a minute. Not really moving here, huh? Well, you probably shouldn't be taking trades this early, but this is just an eval, so not that big a deal. Let's see if there's any news today. I don't know if there is, but let's look anyway. Crude oil at 11 a.m. Looks like that's it. Yeah, just crude oil. Hollow point, I tend to agree, but might shake us out of the position. Excuse me. Goodness. Goodness. Can never break below 50%. The weekly candle from December 16th also respected the 11th. Got you. Try to work in the house. How you doing, Oracle? Good morning. Just need the ES to test 60. That'll probably get us here. How's it going, Fish Lips? If the ES tests 60, that probably takes us down there to the 70 pretty quickly. We got about another 13 minutes until open, so. Look at the succession of candles creating the bullish order block. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, see, we bounced down there at the 21,000. I don't think we pushed down that low, though. I mean, I think I think we need this. I do think I probably look for longs, but after we sweep this area, we'll see how it reacts. See if it wants to clean out that 50 or not. 12K payout from Tick Tick. Let's go, Francis. You the man. 50Ks. All right, let's see. ES flushes to 6051 on the open and rallies from there. I like it. I like it. That would be kind of like a failed breakdown of the 60 level. What up, music? I did have a good Christmas. Hope you did too. Yeah. Yeah, it tends to make sense, Labby. All right, if we do get back kind of to the 73 area, to the body of this candle here, I will put a stop in a break even there. But below that, I just want to see it just push right through the 70. Just clean that area up. Don't really want to see it come back. So kind of like right there, 74 area. Santa says only goes up. Maybe. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's what we wanted. So now I'm up $405 on the day. Let's go. It's going to take off to nowhere. It might. It might. You have 3 Bulenox that close to passing, trading very slowly. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Clarity. What up to Mimi? Not after 40. Now, if we get a long setup here, I'll probably hit it. I mean, if we get through this, if we leave this open, even on 30-second chart, ES is at a key level as well at 60. You feel like it's going to explode and it's not going to be easy to catch? Yeah, probably so. Elite Trader, it's okay, Francis. I like it. You just have to be aware of the rules. You have to be aware of the rules there. They got some kind of sticky rules. I've heard that they've denied some larger payouts, but I don't know for sure. So they're all right. I don't see like a huge problem with them. Yeah, I agree, Lavi. We'll see kind of what happens at open. I mean, if I got a long setup out of this, I'd probably take it. Good morning, Andre. I like Bulenox too, Rainier. Yeah, Lavi, that's probably true. But we're going to trade that shit price action. Only on evals, though. We're not taking it on other stuff. What up, AS? I got me a Rocky shirt for Christmas. You guys want to see it? Ugh, I got it on. It's a Rocky shirt. Oh, yeah. Got me a Rocky shirt. Flexi Trades rug pulled. Crazy how these props are doing. Oh, they did too? What up, Pine Tree? Hopefully we get some of these. Adrian! That's right. What up, Timbo? Good morning, John. Yeah, I really like the Rocky movies too. All right, Lavi. Yeah, I want to come to New York. That's one of the few places I've never been. As crazy as that sounds. I've never been to New York. Stuart and I planned on going to New York last October, and just didn't have time. Even though I stayed there a week in Boston, we just never ended up having time. So we'll head out that way eventually. Farrat, good morning. Zach, good morning. So, oh, you live in Long Island. Nice. We got 7 minutes until open here. A little more than 7 minutes. Let's kind of see what happens. If we get this long trigger here, we will take it. It's not that obvious, but it's not bad. Swap a key level, ES at support. I think it probably works at least a break even. So 35 minutes from Manhattan. Yeah, I've never been to New York. I always wanted to go. So just never been. I'm trying to look and see what yesterday's price action was like. So we had this dump at open, or before, no, yeah, right at open. And then like a V shape off that. We V shaped off that and then kind of just chopped, looks like. Interesting. Still staying in the same range. Oh, you have really good food. You live in the Bronx, Francis? Nice. You need some John's of Bleecker St. Pizza. Yesterday was all right. Clarity, good. Yeah, I didn't even turn on the charts. I didn't even turn it on. I was thinking of doing it, doing the power hour yesterday, but by the time I got back, I had to stop by the tag office and get tags for my cars, and then go by the repair shop and check on the Explorer. And by the time I got back home, it was after. So we went and got the car, came back. I had to go put together a desk for one of the kids. They got a stand-up desk, one of those powered stand-up desks for Christmas, and put that together. And then by the time I got back here after doing those other things, it was like 3:30. Jeff DeMaio, we're 2 for 2, 2 shorts. You can see the executions here on the screen. One here, took it there. One here, took it there. Up $400 so far, just on an eval. And yeah, doing all right so far. 2 for 2. We won't be trading the fundeds today, though. Unless I see something that's obvious. If it's obvious and, you know, looks really good, then we may take it. Good morning, Andy. Bluesky, Mark, I don't know much about them. I've never used them. But I have heard good things about them. But I don't think that you can use Bluesky on Quantower. I could be wrong. Somebody can correct me if I'm wrong about that. So that's why I don't use them right now. Or maybe you can. I really don't know. There's that 25 candle. Got a little volatility on it. Can you use it on Quantower there, Israel? I'm not sure. I thought last time I looked that you couldn't. So you're saying you can. Interesting. Well, if you can, I may have to give them a look. May have to give them a look. We'll see kind of what happens here at open. It may not give us an opportunity to even get in. I kind of think we just push. But I could be wrong. Blue 3 accounts early December on Quantower. Oh, nice. No new prop firms get wrecked. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully the props, hopefully everything stables out. Even if there's, you know, not as good of deals for us. Moth trades it on Quantower. Nice. I guess you can then. There you go. That's why I said, if I'm wrong, tell me. Flexi Trade's closing down. Yeah, somebody said that. So Flexi Trade's closing down as well. So they're rug pulled. I mean, that's crazy how you got 3 companies that have done that. Stick with your strategies. Yeah. Tough pine tree, but I'm going to try. Flexi Trade is closing down. Anybody have Flexi Trade accounts? I don't. Have I traded Flexi? I don't remember. I don't think I did. If I'm not mistaken, I think Flexi Trade wanted my account. They wanted my checking account information before they would give me an affiliate, and I didn't feel comfortable with it, so I don't think I ever affiliated with them. Pretty sure. No, Apex isn't closing. TGIF model. Let's see. I don't think Apex is closing. So, yeah, that's probably true, Black Beauty. He did, Jeff. That's a pretty big payout. Bulenox and APEX, I think, are fine. But, I mean, there's no guarantees in this business. Room Beats or anybody else. I mean, you got to understand that. There's no guarantees. I mean, APEX could shut down tomorrow. Bulenox could. We don't know for sure, right? I don't see their financials. You don't see them. We don't know. We can only use the information that's in front of us. And based on longevity and things like that, I think that APEX, Bulenox, Topstep, My Funded Futures, you know, Take Profit Trader, those are the ones that have been a little bit more, had a little more longevity here. So, no, 91's option 1, Francis. I don't know. What up, Max? You can have 11 clarity, but only 3 below the threshold at one time. Let me see what the option 2 is. It was 80%, but it ended at midnight. So let me see. What did they do? Okay, they extended the 80% on the option 2. So 80% on option 2 right now is good through the new year as well. And my code for that, I think, is MM1. There she goes. Let me see. Yeah, MM1 is going to be my code for that. For 80% off option 2. Let this thing go. Captain Obvious says, looks like a short. Yeah, I'd say. I like the customer service DA. I've never had a problem with it. Like, I send them a message, and within hours, they're back to me. So I've never had a problem with them. I know you had. Aren't you having issues with the documentation that you submitted? Is that you that was doing that? I can't remember. Below the threshold, John, it means that you got to get above $2,600 in profit before you can activate a 4th, a 5th, a 6th, so on and so forth. So, Max, they changed it from 10 to 5. I didn't hear that. Somebody could let me know about that. Yeah, DA, sadly, man, you're the only one I've ever heard have a problem with their customer service. I don't know why that is. I have no idea. I wish I had like a contact where I could help you out with it, but I don't. You know, I'm not one of these YouTubers that's like in touch with these prop firms. You know, like they got contacts and stuff like that that they can take advantage of. It's just not me, unfortunately. But if I did have one, I would definitely help you. So, yeah, Topstep's good too. I mean, like I said, for longevity, those are the ones you want to kind of stick with. If you want to be safe, stick with those. Nothing wrong with that. Stick with the people who have been around. That doesn't mean they won't close, because they can just like anybody else. You just hope that that's not the case. So, oh, here we go. We are now open. Kind of a mild open there. Let's see. If you full sent, that would have passed. Yeah, it'd be close, right? Be very, very close. I don't know music. I haven't heard that, so I don't think so. So, you think in 2026 we'll get regulation? I think it's going to be a while too as well, Oracle. A lot of people think it's going to come this year. I'm not so sure either. I think that's probably a smart point. So, what up, Wayne? It's still 10, says Richard. Yeah, I haven't heard anything about anything changing on that. Now, it is 5 on the 25K. So if you're trading the 25K, it is indeed 5. There we go. Push lower. ES kind of hanging out there. Did I mark anything else out? I don't think I did. I don't think I even marked anything else to the downside. That's probably true too, Black Beauty. I am too, Richard. I want that 90% off. You're limited to half the contracts until the buffer. On a funded account, maybe fish lips. Is that what we're talking about? Merry Christmas, Max. We're talking. I mean, I think we're talking in terms of evals. If you're using 5 minis on a funded, good luck to you. Good luck to you. But if you're using more than 5 minis, I should say. Still just moving lower here. I think the ES is going to test that 46 level. It's kind of what it looks like. We're going to wait here and just kind of see what happens. If we get kind of like a V-shaped recovery back above this, we will take it. But it would have to be like 1 candle, maybe 2 to blast above this with a lot of momentum. Close really, really heavy. Really nice and strong, but it might be Oracle. I think ES wants to test that 46. I think that 46 level is a good bounce level, potentially. Someone mentioned 51 on the ES earlier. It did hit 51 there. Pulled back down to 47.75. I might try a little stab long off the 46 level there if we get down to it. I don't know where that would take us on the Nasdaq. We'll see. Man, I should have held my short from up here, huh? Darn, I'm an idiot. 100 points. Your ace long paid. Let's go. It did bounce. ES did bounce. Nasdaq's pulling back. Looks like it wants the 740 level. I do like a little elevator here. Lost that 90 with quickness. You just kind of think it just runs lower now. Might could participate in a little push back up. Yeah, that probably makes sense, Max. 1 pass out of the 4 for some reason. That's crazy. Yeah, that's all right, though. I'm going to take a little stab here. I think it's a decent area to kind of... Once I'm up like 5, 6, 7 points, I'm going to put my stop in. Stops in. ES is at the 60, 46. I'm going to market cover there. Just going to market cover because I don't know what the ES is going to do with the 46. So we're now up $800 on this account. We need $528 to pass. ICT is the GOAT. Where you been, man? I ain't seen you in a long time. You're short with 50? Lever 50. Let's go. I guess we could have held for the 38. I just wasn't sure. I just took it. 3 for 3 there, up $800. We'll take it. The myth, the legend. ICT. All right, there's 38.75. This thing ripping lower here. Good morning, Outer. Guess I should have been holding that. I should have been holding that trade longer there. Should have just held. The hindsight is always 20/20. 709 down there. I don't even know what it is. Should be able to run down here. Maybe might even get into the 600s. Right now, take profit time 91% off Bulenox. That's the best so far. 40% off Take Profit Trader. Tick or Tradeify I think is 35 or 40% off too. They got 75 and 80 on some of them. But really 91% on Bulenox is going to be your best upfront cost. Oh, you meant Forex. Oh, I got you. 671. That would kind of make sense, right? Kind of makes sense. It does feel like it's wanting to go lower here, but ES has reclaimed the 46. I think we could get a push back up into this area. I think that we could push back up into that area. Let's see if the ES holds above 46 here. Maybe we do something kind of like this, high or low, some sort of SMT, and then go. Let's just see. You don't know. Nothing's bullish about this until you get something like that. So if we don't get it, you know, if it doesn't give us that kind of bullish little setup, then it's probably just going to continue lower. So a pivot down there at 640 kind of makes sense, maybe. Because I'm terrible, ICT. That's why. You the man, Wayne. You the man. No, I didn't trade very good, so I'll be the first to admit it. I'll be the first to admit it. This thing's just going down. Yeah, I just went through a 2-3 month stretch there where I just didn't do very well. October, November, December. October, I traded fine, but towards the end of the month, I blew some accounts that I probably shouldn't have. December, I've kind of, the first week and a half, 2 weeks, I think I'm break even on December on my fundeds. Nothing crazy. But just didn't feel comfortable trading my funded accounts these last 2 weeks. So there we are. You're still in a rut? Yeah, I was too. I feel like I'm coming out of it though. Ugh. Does ES stay below the 46? It looks like it does. Yeah, heavy absorption. It'd be tough for me to get in. I mean, if we retested 50, 747, 750 area, can maybe jump in there and really tight stop at the 65s. Hard to just jump in down here at the bottom. So, got that Wuhan bug. I got something. I'm just now coming out of it. We still have Trump, so we have space to go. Yeah. I feel better, but I'm still a little, I got like a little congestion, but I can deal with that. We deal with that. How big is this gap? ES reclaimed the 46. I think I might long here, guys. Made 10K this month. Let's go. Gave 8-pack yesterday. Oh, that sucks. Oh, man. I just read the first part by Dree. That sucks. I might. This is dangerous, but I might do it anyway. I might try another short here. Very, very dangerous. I don't know. I'm going to wait. You should have went car shopping instead. Exactly. Got a business idea? What's your announcement? What's your business idea there, ICT? You got the biggest one in the room? Biggest what? Shorts are on the menu. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. I was thinking of shorting here with a stop there, but a little too late. Take private charm. No, they don't really have any rules. Mainly 40% consistency rule, and then they don't want you copying between props. So only copy trade their prop, and then they want you to use a consistent sizing for your trading in your funded, which shouldn't be that big a deal. I mean, it's okay to scale up and scale down, they say, but they don't want you, trading 5 minis one day and in 5 micros the next. That's all. You gonna leave the question unanswered? every shut up now. Let me and my friend discuss your business. Oh, everyone. You subscribe to ICT's OnlyFans. How much does that cost, Oracle? How much does that cost? We got an SMT here with the ES. ES did not take the low. Nasdaq did. Interesting. What up, Arson? I give you 10K. I can't even give myself 10K. How am I going to give you 10K? I'm poor. For the most part. I am tempted to just jump in short here. That's right, Jeff. Jeff hit the nail on the head. Actually, Jeff, up that one. Ding. 8. Ding. All right, if we lose 90, I might just... Actually, I'm going to wait. I want to see if we get a push back above the whole number, and then I'll take the short. Let's see. I want to see us retest 700. You're done with the one. Let's go. Yeah, that's what I would say, Jeff. Probably. Tax loss harvesting dump. You cannot use trade of 8. Come on. I wanted a little push back up. Just give me a little push back up. No, but you can use Mastermind. You can use Quantower. They have a free copy trader. Appreciate you, Amelia. We don't know how long we'll be green. Oh. This is what we were wanting. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take it there. And we'll target 20 points. And if it gets kind of above that 710, I'll probably just take it off for a loss. Stop will go back to break even once we break back below 690. Kind of watching that 30-second chart there. Want to see this push lower now. Do we average into this thing? I don't know. That's the question. Pushed up into the 9 EMA there. Timbo, mine connected right away. I want to see this get back below the 90. I'll put my stop in. Put my stop in back below 90. Stop in to break even. Trying to watch the ES here. If it kind of reclaims that 46, then I won't love it anymore. Retesting that 9 EMA again. Man, I'm just giving everything back. Yeah, I should have taken the long on the 30-second chart there, and I'm still in the short, so I was kind of waiting on that long, and then I don't know, I FOMO'd into the short near the bottom. Need to see this 1 minute gap kind of hold up. Uh, 10 minutes? That's crazy, Timbo. That's a long time. Yeah, something's up with that. You have no idea what it's doing. Nothing yet. Yeah, it looks bearish to me. ES did hold 6041. I need a decent pushback down. You should get a 91%, Tom, on the on the option 1. I don't think it's including the 10 or the 25K. I'll have to double check that. So I think it's got to be the 50K. What up, Nonstop Trader? How you doing? They do have Project X on Bulenox Mastering Academy. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't used it, but it's the exact same thing that Topstep is using there. So I raw dog the Nasdaq. That's right. This is not good trading. Let's be honest. All right, back to my entry here. I'd like to see this close below 720. I think it can push, if it does, down more. All right, there we go. Close below. Now let's see if it can go. Get my first target. Get me out of there. Half the size. Come on. Looks like I probably should have just taken that off there when I could have. Looks like that's just going to be your higher low and a go. Yep, that's what that is. Ha! Look at that. That's comical. Very, very comical, Nasdaq. I'm laughing. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am laughing. Well, we closed below, but then we also closed back above. So I think leaning it's to the 31st. Appreciate you, Matt. Just past 11 Bulenox 50K accounts using my code. Thanks, Gilbert. Appreciate you. Has there been any new rules? No, Gilbert. It's all the same. Yeah, I had a good Christmas there. Good morning, Crawford. Did me dirty. Yes, Peter. If you got the 54K in one day, you're good to go. You just got to submit it. You got to submit it for passing. So, Matt, I trade with Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, APEX, Tradeify, Tick, My Funded Futures. I might be forgetting somebody. Peter, I like Apex and Bulenox, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. I mean, all of those are pretty good. I like the rules on kind of Take Profit Trader the best, you know, get the daily payouts and stuff, but it is harder to pass. Yeah, they have an activation fee. It's $148 lifetime. Yeah, you can activate 11, but you can only trade up to 3 until you got to get one above the threshold to add another. No, I think Apex is currently like 50% off. I might. We're back down to 700 here. Below 90 here, I may take a stab. I think below 90 we can we'll make a new low. Let's see though. Yeah. The activation fee is, it's not, I mean, yeah, you could look at it as high. I agree, but in general, let's see if we can make a new low here. In general, it's in line with the industry standard. I mean, as far as total costs and stuff. What time is this? 9:56. This thing is ripping. This is kind of like, it's trying to go lower, but it's just not doing it. Yes, fighting back. It's just glued to the 46 here. It's just going to be kind of snaky here. It's time to buy. Had a good Christmas, Science. Did you? No, Matt. I'm in Georgia. We're in eastern United States, in Georgia. And there you go. Didn't wait for the push below the area that I wanted it to. And paid the price there. All right, man. Appreciate you, ICT. They don't have TradingView Max. Nope. No, no Bitcoin for me. I would like some, but I don't have any. No, Peter, none at all. I don't mind answering questions. Kind of a higher low here. You'll give me a Satoshi? Peter, they have good. You just got to know where to look. I'll show you in a minute. I want to take this again. I think it goes. We'll go stop to break even 90. All right. Just go. I would appreciate it. Clear the 90. Get through the 90 here, push down. Come on. Top of the hour there. Oh, come on. They don't have their own copier, Peter, but you can use Quantower. Oh, man, this thing's... I know it's just going to go now. So dirty. Oh, darn it. I'm going to put this at break even. Because we left triple equal highs. Try to see if this at least gets me to break even. And then we can look for another spot. All right. We're break even on this account. We're break even. But we left triple equal highs there. The Bears definitely need a wide stop. Yeah. All right. Tapping the 30s there on the ES. I mean, nothing about this looks bullish at this point. See what Mancini has to say. 660 failure, trigger the short. 46 target, just hit. Lock in profits, leave a runner. 38.27 are the next down. We're approaching 27 now. This thing is just going. Wow. This thing is just rolling. Peter, no worries, man. You can ask me anything you want. If I don't read your question, then it's fine. I do this every day, man. So no big deal. Don't worry about it. Holy cow, look at this. These candles are way bigger than they look, huh? Some nice volatility today. But yeah, you're welcome to email me if you want. But I was just going to show you on Bulenox. They actually have a nice FAQ section. If you go to the Help Center, like if you go to the Help Center, you go to Master Account, then it's going to have everything you need to know in here. The objective, tells you all the details. Is there a fee? Breaks down the fees. I only recommend a 50K account or smaller because of the fees. Multiple accounts, it tells you how to use multiple accounts, the master account rules. So it does break it down for you. You just got to know where to go. Check the master account rules. Qualification account, there's no rules, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. Apex is still 50% as far as I know. Let me look. Unless they changed something. I don't think they did. Yeah, it still just says 50%. You got 100 points? Let's go, Pine Tree. Nice job. This thing is just moving lower. Moving lower. Down she goes. I mean, what have we sold off since open? Quite a bit, huh? Decent range today. Price action not bad, too. 247 points in 30 minutes. Maybe it wants to do this again, you know, a little sweep of that and then go back lower. We'll see. So, what up, FPL? What'd you get from Kelly? What are you talking about? New day opening gap, then the new week opening gap right below. Yes, down to that 27. Hesitating way too much. Yeah, Timbo, it's tough price. I mean, it's like, it's good price action, but if you're not, you got to be able to just get in when you think and just go with it. So. Yeah, Lavy 500 range. There's not much you can do there, Peter. You either have to pay it or don't worry about it. Cancel the account. Yeah, I don't recommend with Bulenox any bigger than the 50K account just because of the activation fee. Excuse me. She's a rolling. That's all she's doing. What up, Citizen Zero? How you doing? Holy cow, man. It's down another 5. Holy smokes. This thing's just going. Yeah, Trav. 30 minutes later, it's down 300 points. It's crazy, isn't it? It's crazy. Do we hit 610 on the push up? 605. I might try the same style trade again. If we push back below 600, I may take it. I don't know, though. Let's kind of see what happens here. Yeah, I go live daily, Peter. And I might just take 10 points here. I don't know. 607. I think I might get stopped. Let's see here. I'm going to go stop to break even at, like, yeah, right now. And I'm just going to take it right there. I don't want to fight the 90s. That was in my funded account there. $293. We'll take it. $293 on our Bulenox funded. Just, you know, the kind of trade I normally like to take. Little push below the whole number. V-shape right back up above it. 610 area is kind of where I'm looking to short at. Once we push back below that 610, you kind of just take it. I used to take that trade all the time, but I don't take it as much anymore. So we just heard one tick from the new week opening gap, did we? Yeah, I think so, Treff. It very well could be. You can't fight the 90s. Too much good music. Yeah, that's true. All right, I got to run to the bathroom right quick, guys. I'll be right back. Hang out for a minute. All right, we're back. We are back. Payout, please. How it works with Bulenox. 10 trading eggs, 40% consistency rule. Use a relatively kind of a consistent sizing. Like I said, don't go from 5 minis to 5 micros. That's pretty much it. You got to get to $3,600 on the 50K account to take out $1,000. Leaves you with $2,600 in drawdown. This trailing stop no longer follows you. And yeah, that's it. Take profit 554. I mean, I think that makes a lot of sense. Maybe even lower, to be honest. But kind of low here to be trying to take shorts at this point. Going to be a little scary. We could have 50, 75, 100 point bounces before it goes down to those levels. So just be careful. That last trade I took was pretty risky. Let's be honest. Kind of risky. But that's all right. Here we go. 570s, 560, 63, 563. This thing is just, man, we were just going lower. It's going to be one of those days where you just short every bounce. No end in sight. Maybe. It's what it feels like when it hasn't bounced at all, right? So. $21,300's the target. I mean, could be. I'm going to wait for, like, I'm probably not going to take the first inverse, like, unless it's just complete V shape. I'll probably wait, you know, at some point we're going to have, you know, a bounce. We'll see. You would think. At least a little bit of a bounce. You were short at 947 overnight. Cut it too early. Yeah, but you never know. Could have went the other way. What up, Peter? You were on Patrick's channel? I like Patrick. Just, you know, it's hard to get information from his channel, though. Or not necessarily his channel from him. Sometimes Patrick's willing to help, sometimes not. Yeah, I was thinking, I was actually talking to Husk Gilbert before the day started, and I was like, I think this is a 9 EMA day, 9 and 21 EMA, if you look. That's a nice 21 touch right there. You know, it's really the only one since open. So if you're looking to get short here, maybe you do wait for that push back up into the 21 and then kind of take it. Just be patient. You could take the 9, but just know that it could touch the 21 at some point. Yeah, we'll go to the hourly. Let's see what the other targets would be. I mean, okay. Yeah, 476 is a clean. That's a clear target. So that's probably where we're headed towards. And then rebalance this gap here. Yeah, I mean, I could see maybe a push down into the 300, possibly. I mean, we could even push down into 21,000 if we can close below this 320, 308, 310 area. That's still a ways to go. Ways to go there. 4 hour as well. Yeah. 430. Well, we'll just kind of see what happens. I mean, obviously, it's not going to go direct there. What a pile, boy. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do appreciate it. Could maybe take a short here. I mean, again, it's not the best of entries, but stops. Okay. I'll see a little push back up into kind of like the 70, like right there. And I put my stop here. 61. Yeah, I'm going to take profit at like 50. Let's get 12 points here if we can. There we are. So it's my other Bulenox funded account there. Just a quick $210 scalp. Let's go. Those are newer accounts, so I don't mind being a little more aggressive with them. Don't mind being a little more aggressive with those accounts. Yeah, everything is a scalp. That's right. Everything's a scalp. Do we set initial balance in reverse? I don't know. I have no idea. I think we continue lower. Take profit, Tom. On my funded futures, you have to choose ACH, or nobody's code will give you a discount unless you choose to pay with ACH. That's the way my funded futures is. I don't know why, but if you still punch the code in, it gives me credit for it, even though it doesn't give you a discount, even if you don't pay with ACH. So I think so. Do 2 DA33, 476. I will be shocked if we don't hit 476. Music, Bulenox is 80% off option 2, 90% off option 1. So, ES just tapped the 6006, which was the next level down there on the ES. 6001 below that. What are you supposed to do, Max? What happened? Accidentally. What did you say? I didn't see your message. I don't see any message, Max. I don't know what you're talking about. 91% off. Exactly, Peter. My bad. Oh. You the man, Kev. Appreciate you. I don't know. Did we? I don't know. Did we blow this eval earlier? I was up 600. I don't think we did. I have to try an entry. You're tired of paying twice for eval, then funded. I think I'm going to exclusively buy funded futures. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Take private time. I have codes with them too, man. I have codes with them too. Owlboy, I don't know. Anybody done that? Oh, Jamie. Yeah, the random line could be a pivot, right? You never know. Yeah, 450s, I think. 476 at least. I'm going to try an entry here. I don't know if this account blew or not. It took us out of a trade earlier. I think I accidentally hit the button. I don't remember. It says it's active, but I don't know. Nice job, Thomas. $1,200. Man, way to go. Peter, this ends on the 31st, and Bulenox typically does 90% off quite often, but recently they've not been doing it as often as they have been before. Okay, so yeah, it did just exit me. I thought it. Stopped to break even there. Just was trying to see if it was going to let me trade this account or not. We're down $600 on it after being up 800 on it, something like that. It is music. They will refund your $102 on the 50K once you get to pay out. Good morning, Steve. How you doing? We have 827, 56, 50 liquidity. We may plunge and leave it. I think we do take it, Trev. The frying pan message? I didn't see it. I don't know where you were, Max. I didn't see that one. Let me see. Let me read. Hold on. I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh, I think it was held for a review. Oh, it was held for a review. You hit your girlfriend in the face with a frying pan? Oh. Just beg for forgiveness. That's all you can do. Alex O, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Buy her a Chevy Traverse. That's right. There's no news, Peter. Not today. Get her a Chevy Traverse. She'll be happy. Get the Chevy Traverse, brother. All right, looks like we're going to test the 21 here. There was a 1 minute long there. I don't know, wasn't that obvious? Tom, we got the Chevy Traverse. The Chevy Traverse. Here, I'll show you a picture of it if I can. I don't know. Let's see if they've taken it off the website. So this is what it looks like. That's it. White with black wheels. Nah, no spinners. No spinners. Yeah, that's a rip up, Trev. That's what I was worried about, right? It's not for me. It was for Crystal. She's the one driving it. She said it should have been a Denali. That's what she says. But too poor for that. They want too much money for those. We're not Patrick Whelan status. We can't just go buy a new GT3 RS, you know, and just be all right with it. Now, I'll show you guys something I saw earlier today that I do quite like. Just sent Bulenox the forum past 50K. Couple hours, Peter. Yeah, 2 break-evens right before it blasted. I'll show you guys what I want to buy myself. I got a bag. I got a bag for it. Not really. I could go get it if I wanted to, but, you know, I'm trying to be responsible. Yeah, but like the used Corvette prices have dipped into the 50s to make them affordable now. I'm short. As soon as I short, it bounces. What time is it? 10:26. Hey, Uniman. The sale will end on the 31st airboat. Kev, how do you log in to what? Oh, come on. Log into Bulenox? Or what? On what platform? Hey, let's go. Nice job, Clarity. Nice job. Where do you put the year model? So you can see the Corvettes have dropped down into the 50s. You know, like you get the 21 for 56. This black on black's kind of nice. Maybe I get that one. That's kind of nice. Maybe I could get one of those. I don't know. If you guys use my code enough. Which trading platform are you using, Trick Cav? I don't know. Take private time. I like them. I mean, like, I like the new body styles. Obviously, I prefer the Z06, but can't afford that. Take profit, Tom. I don't know. I would assume he used his money from his payout to buy it. He said he paid cash for that Porsche. But I think they look nice, too. You helped to put fuel in it? Let's go. You have to wait for the market in. Yes. Yes, that's true, Peter. You can go ahead and submit it because they're not going to review it from the before the market ends, I don't think, before the market closes. So I think you could go ahead and submit it if you wanted to. Our trader, Kev, I'll show you in a moment. I'll log into it. At that 542 would be where I go break even, by the way. That's why that's there. So, turn your market data off down here. You don't need to log into both sides. And then put in your username, your password, Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago area, and log in for Bulenox. So turn off your market data. IBS setting. You are right. I don't like how this is finding like support here. It seems like it should have went already, right? I'll try to follow the rules here though and see. I mean, technically if it gets back below 548 now, I should go break even. There. Which is pretty close to my entry. I probably should have already been break even off these wicks. But that's okay. Quite possibly, DA. Quite possibly. Holding up here. Stop to break even there. Give it a chance to go. I'm going to kind of look and see if it would actually hit here first. That would be nice. So that's where I was originally going to go to break even at. Because we don't know what's going to happen here at this imbalance. It could bounce just like it's doing. Woo. One ticked us there. Left us in. All right, hold it, hold it, hold it. Push it down. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. Nice job, Clarity. Great job. Plus 150. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Push through there. Back below this wick, I want to see some. I want this to move quickly. And I'm going to lock in the body of that candle if we can get back below that wick. There we go. And I'm just going to take the. I'm not even going to take the low. I'm going to front run 517. Which will still get us green here, I believe. All right, we trailed it down. We are down $8 now on this account. Yeah, I do too, Pine Tree. I just didn't want to fight IBL. I don't know. I'll probably regret it in a moment. But I think I managed that trade okay. Obviously, it would have hit my take profit right there. I think 476 is on deck, but if it pushes through here and goes, then we'll see. So thanks, Trev. You're up 8K on your sim account, right, Gopher? That's how it goes. You might add another account with My Fun Futures. Yeah, they're going to raise their prices at the new year, I think. Nice job trading mints. Let's go, Wayne. Way to go. If you lived in the USA, you would buy a Porsche. They are so much cheaper there. Forget about buying one in Asia. Taxes are insane. Interesting. Jack of all trades. I mean, we have this initial balance is huge. So huge. What is it like? I don't even know. 400 points? 347 points. So there's the bounce off IB there. I kind of want to short here again. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie. You can have 3 funded accounts total with them of different varieties. I'm in. All right, we'll go for the 76 this time. If we get pushed, I mean, it could easily push up and stop us out. This is an aggressive entry, so. Gonna go break even at the body of this candle there. $10.35 here. We could have the 10.35 to 10.30 reversal. We'll see. I do, Max. That's what I do. Yes, DA. The code's MM. Appreciate you. And again, if you're only paying for the, if you're paying with the, you got to pay with the ACH in order to get a discount. So, and I kind of want to move this up. Do we scale into this? Maybe. Yeah, adjusting prices. Yeah, Gilbert. You never know. It could adjust it lower. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Waiting till last minute. You'll reverse the reversals reverse. I mean, right now, ES is kind of holding below initial balance. It's kind of what I'm watching. I want to see it just continue to push lower there, but, I mean, we're already down 350 points off the open, so. No, you download Rhythmic Pro. It says Rhythmic Trader Pro. That's the name of the app. And when you sign the form, you will identify as a non-professional. So. I don't know if I want to give this much more room here. I'm probably gonna. No, I don't like my stop right there. Go down on your chart. We'll try. Push it down. Blow on the top of your monitor. Let's get her to go down. Yeah, it definitely could reverse. ES is above IB here. Probably going to get wrecked. All right, let's get back our profit, our lack of profits there. Only up, we're down $500 on this account now. ES fought its way back above initial balance. But no fear, have no fear. Full port might be here. That was a rhyme. Oh man, look at it. Stopped me out by a couple ticks. Rude. Rude. ES back to 6,005. Yeah. Might trap me twice. All right, let's see what we can do. Thinking of full porting. 40 seconds to the end of this 5-minute candle. You're here to see the next candle. Yeah, we'll see. I'm trying, Max. I've been short. I mean, it could run back through this stuff quickly, but it could also just be the first red candle in a continue push up. Looks like that might be the case. Killing us. Killing me, killing me, killing me. All right, now it looks like I may want to run that. 605s. All right, down $400. Mm-hmm. You almost took the long second candle. You know it can rip up at any point, though. That's the thing. You never know. It is, Max. I think we get another rip up here. Let's see. Yeah, it's tough clarity. I mean, I took those shorts knowing full well that, you know, it could just rip higher, which is what it did. That's okay. Pull back. Tapped into the gap here. I kind of want to jump in here on another full port push. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see if we run this wick here. I like that it's at the whole number. We'll see. Using RSI, we can see where we're about to reverse. Yeah, take profit charm. I'm not good at using the RSI, but I do have it pulled up. I do have it pulled up. It's on one of my charts, but I don't find myself using it all that much, to be honest. Well, initial balance is huge too, though. Can we get 5 points into the 50? We actually can. I could do this. Very dangerous. But we're going to try it. Why not? We like the danger. Come on, just go. I'm going to get ripped. Dirty. Oh, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Oh, man. So my original idea was the smarter idea. Oh, my goodness. Look at that junk. That was dirty. That was so dirty. That was just dirty. Shot in the tick, says Nutty. I mean, literally to the tick there. Stop me out and then runs to the target. Rude. Rude. That's so rude. How are they going to do me like that? Yeah, Jamie, nice job. That was rude. Yeah, I jumped in too late. I mean, I don't know. I should have probably stuck with my original idea of holding it there to run into the wick. That's okay. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. All right, now we're pulling back. Your long room. I mean, not a bad idea here. Not a bad idea here. There's a potential 30-second long here. Raul, the problem with it is I don't really know. I don't really know if they're going to fail you for that. ES trying to push up here. Nasdaq trying to follow along, getting above that 50 there. Can we pop the 600 here? Maybe test that 610 level? Kind of looks like we can, but it's just got to go to do it. Holding up there. If you're in that 30-second one, if he gets back above 602, that's going to be your break even. It's got to get back above 602, kind of retesting the gap there. So back above 602 would be break even. So 599. Didn't quite get there. Outer CT, this 30-second looks like it's probably going to pay. This 30-second long, but Euro third eye, some people call it a butthole. All right, now that's your break-even stop. And then your target obviously is right there. Boom. So 30-second paid. If you didn't see what we were looking at there, you should see this yourself, but so there's your entry right there on the close above. You took 8.5 points of drawdown. Break-even stop was the back above the 6,002. And then you could scale here at 6,006, or you could target up here at 6,031, or the pivot at 40. But you can see this is an A setup. Sweep of liquidity, delivery from a fair value gap, nice momentum back through another gap, close above. Pretty easy read there. I took that in my funded account, $200 off stream there. She's playing possum. Yeah, it's kind of what it does. 1030 reversal was money, yeah. I actually took 10 points. I got in on the momentum here, and I took 10 points on the first push up. So I didn't even go through. I didn't even go through this drawdown because I just took 10 points on the straight push up there and just got out. That's why our advice is poo. There we go. Guys, we're 21 subscribers away from 6,500. Can we get there? Can we get there? Is there college football today, really? Oklahoma versus Navy is on right now, or is it coming up? Must be coming up. Oklahoma at Navy. Would this have stopped your runner? Not quite. So if you're still in a runner, I mean, you could target this wick. This wick is a good draw. It's inside a fair value gap up there. We also have triple equal highs up here at 712 if you wanted to hold for the ultimate. Up there to VWAP 712. It's not outside the realm of possibility for this to kind of, you know, maybe do that. Obviously, I'm not in anymore, but if you are still in, I don't think you got stopped out there. If you went stone cold break even, would have missed you by 2 ticks. So I think the push back up into 712 would kind of make sense. Maybe even higher. You got triple equal highs up there. Strong resistance 6,500. Yeah, Marson. Exactly. Oh, there's 5 games today. Take profit time. I check them out. I mean, Oklahoma Navy seems like an odd matchup, but that's what bowl games are. I mean, if we get another long setup, we'll take it. Why not? USC and Texas A&M, that's not bad. Yeah, that'd be a decent game to watch. Not a bad game. What's this pushback up been? How many points? 110 point pushback up. I was going to take a risk here, jump in. I think I'm going to target. Come on. It's going to average into this one. I think it goes. If we lose the 97 there, could be a problem. Probably should put it below this low here. I love music. I'm moving it around. Georgia Tech Vandy. Oh, that's interesting. I'm moving it around. How do you cancel it? You should just be able to go to your billing. Click on billing and go to cancel account. Kind of close above that 9 there. I'll probably add into this full size. Dangerous. Dangerous. Little spike down there. Is it going to spike down and take us out? Maybe. Top of the hour, up in a minute. Nah, Max. I mean, trade how you want. I'm long as well. Of course, room beats is always short. Always the opposite of me. That's fine. Don't fade me, bro. Or fade me. It's fine. You probably win. I mean, like, this does look bearish, but I was just thinking that we could hold this and go, but maybe we can't. Maybe we can't. Let's pop back above those EMAs. We'll add in. Kind of get our average down a little bit. You know your average is bad when your take profit's below the entry. You know. What am I in? 6? I got one more to go. The full port. It's got to rip now. Get back above the 600s. We can push into like the 610s pretty quickly, but that's an if. Now explain to me how that did not take that order out there. It finally did. It only took me out of 1 there. Only got me out of 1. DCA. Yeah, probably should have taken them all out there. We are going to blow this account. If it gets back to our entry this time, we'll probably just take it off. It probably blows the account. Let's see. Room said doom. All right. Well, we just blew that one quickly. That's what happened. That's what happens when you full port on not a setup. You know, but it's kind of having a little good time. I mean, that's all it's about sometimes. ES back to the 6006 area. Yeah, obviously if we close below this, then we're pretty much probably going to run this pretty quickly. Technically, this is wait. No, it's not. Is it? No, not anymore. All right, what's this thing going to do? Is it going to hold up here, push down, make a new low? Seems like that's what it wants to do, but... Room's getting paid. Up 10K on the sim account. I don't know. Coper, I do the same stuff. I think we all do. Could be a potential long here. Don't know if I like it though. It looks like we're going to run this stuff. We're in the macro. Looks like it wants to run this lower. Oh, come on. Close below, got a little retest here. Let's go, room. No, they don't, Peter. They don't care about that. Obviously, you blow what you blow. You blow what you blow, brother. Holy cow. Oh, I didn't even notice ES hit the initial balance low there. No, and then close back above. Price action's getting kind of snaky here. Taking it off, taking it off. Closed below, closed back above, got to take it off. Can't hold it there. You're long. I mean, we just triggered a 1 minute long, but man, it's so... It is choppy outer. Looks like it's going to be kind of dirty. Yes, back to the 04s. If it pushes through there, we can get a little elevator going. I'm probably going to get back in if it does. Might rip my face off, but that's okay. See if it does it. See, I closed below, closed back above. Now it closed back below. And now it's got another one here that it's trying to kind of ranging, kind of starting an idiot box. Yeah, I think they're good. Apex is good. Knowledge Hub. I wish they would do a 90% off sale. All right, I'm going to jump in here, and my stop's going to go up here. And we're going to... Oh, my gosh. Man, that's just dirty. That's just chopping back and forth. I may have to start playing the range here. Don't love where my stop is. I'm going to move it back up. That's what I'm saying, Max. We need to. Sable box, yeah. Man, my entry is just a stone wall, as Kid Poker likes to say. You have a theory they're getting ready to get rid of 20 accounts? I don't know. We'll see, Pantry. I'm not sure. Maybe. All right, one more push up here. I'm probably going to average in, kind of hope this gap holds. I hate trading like that, but it's what you have to do sometimes. See if I can get back to my entry so I can at least just get out break even here. That might just be the goal. There's the entry. Come on, get me out of the first one. All right, we're out of the first. Now we go break even. Let's see if this thing can run. I'm just going to take it off right there because it gets the account back to break even, and I'm happy with that. So 30% drawdown is not a deal breaker. No. What up, Kid Poker? There he is. Haha, I mentioned his name and he appears. No, Knowledge Hub. I mean, it doesn't, the 30% drawdown doesn't do anything to me when I'm trading my fundeds because I have a fixed stop. So, doesn't do anything to me. Well, we're definitely chopping now. Room, are you short or long? What do you got? Where you at now? Boom, boom, boom. Put in for payout request last night, but got denied. I suspect due to 30%. Yeah, that sucks. You got a few other ones though, Kid Poker, right? And you only got to get $50 days. I think like 5 $50 days or something. going forward. So then, of course, you counter trend today and getting destroyed. That sucks. Are you long, Kid Poker? You must be long, I'm guessing. Because I know you use micros typically. What up, Mount Hale? Two mics. Oh, I think that... Oh, man, I really think... I think we're going down now hard. I'm going to get in and, yeah. Come on, man. Don't do me dirty. I'm going to go to break even pretty quickly here. I'm just going to look for like a quick $200-300. This is a dumb trade, I'm not going to lie. I think it works, but it's dumb. God dang it. I gotta stop. Such a dumb trade, but I tried it. So I tried it. I should have probably waited. You buying bet the NBA underdog $10 each one? Let's go. Want $300? Man, I really think we go down here. I'm gonna jump back in. This might end up being dumb, but I really do think we go down here. But, you know, this price action has been, like, so snaky recently. So snaky. Where it's just closing above, closing below. Probably get wrecked. Exactly the same as earlier. I took a short after we took the sell side liquidity, which is just dumb. I didn't even mean to press the button. I accidentally did that. Down $200 after that. Auto liquidation, yeah. This looks like a good long, though. It doesn't make sense, though. So we close below this. Max is barking. I don't know what that means. That means short or long, Max? I don't know. Long? You're not barking? The approach is bad today. We're trading bad. Trading kind of bad. That's all right. Yes, man, it's kind of just glued to that freaking IBL. Yes, kind of like hanging out there at 6,002 area. Fighting back to the OB, yeah. Oh. Just chopping here, guys. I don't know. I still think we're bearish, but stupid. Probably should have taken this trade down here at the 21 and the 9, but it's all right. I think it's still a pop through there. Rip it through there, brother. Rip it through there. There we go. Back to break even now. We're slinging this account around. We've been up and down all around, you know. Max is asking for a friend. Yeah, I've heard of one being done like that, Max, on the TV show. I don't know, though. You're in the red on your 150K combine? It's okay, though, Coper. You can get it back. You can get it back. You can do it. What is earn to trade doing? 50% off TCP accounts. Earn to trade. All right. Yeah, we'll see, Trev. I mean, this thing, it could go. I mean, it really could go. We don't know, right? I mean, some sort of push-up probably makes a lot of sense. Kind of look, if we just fib the entire range. I mean, yeah, these triple equal highs up here make a lot of sense. 712s. Maybe that's where we're going, but did we just throw in one long with a 50-point stop, 60-point stop at the low? What do you think? Target the 712s. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, for sure. The market does what it wants. Yes, the Magic 8 Ball, it said, shut the fuck up. Let's go. I mean, it kind of does look like this is kind of the pattern you want. You know, you have a lower low manipulation leg, higher high, failed to make a higher high, kind of a failed pivot there. Get above that, you really could kind of run. Because technically, let's see, we didn't make a new, we did. I don't know. Tough to say. No more momentum, yeah. There we go. Oops. Up $78 now on that account. Little bounce there. Got in late. I got to get better at getting timing those. I mean, if you kind of close above this, you do kind of think we run. That's nice momentum there. Retest of the 85, I'll probably take it. Just that easy. Up $175 now. I haven't seen it yet, Max. I do kind of want to watch it, though. Only Nancy knows which way the market's going. Yeah, you're long and blowing candles on your monitor. Let's go. Oh, I think we run. I think that's triple equal highs up there at 712 is the draw here. I think we go up here. It just makes sense. No, you might get this. You know, it's not just going to go straight to it, but I do think this gets ran. You're long 738. Oh, shit, Kid Poker. You got a ways to go, man. I mean, if you look at it from a fib perspective, Kid Poker, it's going to be tough for us to get back into that 738 area. I mean, it is possible. It's not impossible, but you do have this wick up here. Just below that pivot, maybe we run through that. That's in OTE. That's above the 618 line. This is just below it. So we'll look. I'll look at the chart in like 30 minutes, and we'll be up here, I bet. I don't think you're screwed. I think it could do it. I think it could do it today. But that being said, if he gets back to your entry, Kid Poker, I mean, I probably just take it off if it's me. Just count my blessings at that point and take it off. Also, Kid Poker, watch the ES because the ES needs to retest 66, I think, to squeeze. Let's see what Mancini says. Let's see if he changed it. Titan stops on shorts. Remember, the real driver was backtest of 6,100. For the next leg down, 59.96 must go. 6027 must reclaim to squeeze. So now he's saying 27 must reclaim to squeeze. So see where the market sits once we get to the 6027. Nicholas, I'm just on eval. Well, I say that. I've taken trades on fundeds today. But just today I'm on one funded. We're up 174. So that one. That one we're up 293. And then I don't think I took a trade on this one. No. I took a trade on this one. 265. And then I didn't take any Apex trades. They're all just still at 0. And I did blow a couple of evals this morning, so being kind of stupid. You say, "Oh, why aren't you long?" Well, I think this was a really good long right here. You see my entry? I just took it there. I just took 5 points, but I mean, 31 points. That's your scale. I think you scale again at 647, and then 711's your next up. Did I move that? I may have accidentally moved that. It's actually 712.50. I mean, look at that. Look at her go. Welcome to the eval bluer club. That's right. I've blew plenty. I've blew plenty. 581 would be nice support for a long. Yeah, I don't think we're getting any pullbacks here. This thing's going to the moon. I would watch the ES. If ES taps that 27 before we get to that 12, if it pushes through 27 and can kind of get above that VWAP there, then we'll look for the next long opportunity if we can get it. Yeah, Kid Poker, this is looking good for you, man, but you're up there at 738. You're still almost 80, 90 points above. Like I said, sometimes you got to consider just taking a loss, right? We've talked about that before. So it swept the liquidity there just by a couple of ticks, and now it's going to get a react. We're going to get a reaction here, and maybe if you think we are indeed bullish, at least up to the 712s, then this may not be a bad zone to take a long. Hold on. Husk is calling me. Hello. I am streaming. What are you doing? Yeah, dude, I'm streaming. We're live, bro. You're live with us. I was just talking to you on the stream. Yeah, I'm live. Look me up. All right, see it. Now, if we can get... Let's go. Nice job, Citizen Zero. If we get a long setup out of this, I'm taking it. Even on the 30-second chart. Even though it's dangerous, but I'm still, it's not even going to give it to us. I'm going to take this, but I'm going to keep it very tight. Probably too tight, if I'm being honest. Stop to break even above 40, above the wick there. And we want to try to get us some expansion there if we can. All right, now stop to break even. Let's see if it can go. Come on, rip it up. Not down, up. I should have gone in way down here. So stupid. Oh, come on. This was the entry here. I mean, literally bounced off the 50% of that. Didn't get it. You like very tight? Let's go. 7 minis are ready. Oh, thanks, Citizen Zero. Pulled back and stopped me out. Dirtiness. Now it's just going to go without us. To the moon, to the moon. I mean, one could take the entry up here, but like, it's so high in the leg, and there are triple equal highs above, but you know, the stop is, the RR on this would be crazy. 30 for 19. Huss stopped me out. So Oh, yeah, that's right, Max. I have a different way of thinking. I mean, if we could retest this gap one more time, sweep this low once more, that wouldn't be bad, but I don't think that's going to happen. Got a lot of punches to the back of the head as a child. Could get long off this pivot here, I guess. I mean, do we just scalp this thing, or we just, I don't know. All right, might be giving up our profits here. Gonna get stopped. Come on, go. Dirty girl, dirty girl. Darn it. Oh, come on. I wanted to pull back into the gap one more time. Oh, I guess it is. Yeah, I mean, I think we're going up into the sevens. I don't know, though. Could be wrong. Gonna like if obviously if it closed below this, then I'm gonna consider this bearish. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of room here. I may average into this if it comes back down into this gap. We'll see. Come out. They make you trade 8 more days, $50 each day. That's all. So might take this off up here at the 650s. Or I'm sorry, 660s. Watch the ES. See what happens here with the ES at the 625 area. If we sweep back into the 629, 630 area, I'm going to add one. Max. Oh, Max. Come on, rip it back up there above that high. Well, we tried to get the scalp out of that one. Couldn't get it. I need to wait for better entries. I hate when I do that. There we go. Mm-hmm. Boom, boom, boom. What up, statistical probability? How you doing? Let's go for mid stop. No. Let's not. Yeah, I do think my stop is probably a little too close, but we were green before this trade, statistical, so I don't know. We'll see what happens after this trade. Yes, Cobb. Typically I do, but not on this one so far today. All right, look at that. That's not what we want to see, but we're going to hold it. Need a fast reaction right here, right now. Let's go. 200 more. It's like we're going to get wrecked on this. All right, well, we're just getting destroyed there. Thought for sure it was going to head on up there, but I guess it just decided not to. Call Husk and ask for a refund. I need to. I think I'm going to call it there, guys. I'm messing around too much, so no point in doing all that. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And we'll be back live Monday morning, 9:15 a.m. 91% off Bulenox. Remember that, guys. If you want to support the channel, use the code. And that's it. We'll see you guys on Monday. I might do a little back testing session over the weekend or something. We'll see. So, but appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.